Good afternoon, good evening, actually, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 6:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, Labor Day, here in the U.S., September 6, 2021. Let's get into something called Fetch. But before we get into that, it's really interesting price action here. I have to go through this. Not financial advice, educational only. Subscribe to the link, share it with your friends, click the thumbs up, and intraday updates on the Twitter link below the video if you want the intraday updates. And man, do we got one for you right this moment. Fetch catching a serious bid here. We on the last video that we went through this, we saw this channel here. This is the Fetch US dollar channel. Just so you know, we actually went up almost 20%. On the last video, we were talking about this. It was down here in the 69-cent range. Well, let's take a look at what happened. Since then, we've actually went from all the way down here straight up to 84. From 70 to 84, that's a 20% gain. We pulled back, but not too much. We actually starting to re-rally again. Let's go take a look at the bigger picture here. So we're in this long-term channel. We talked about this, and it's not long, but it's long enough. July to now. It's almost 2 months in the making. Certainly respecting the channel, and if we zoom out on this thing, we see we have this solid line down here. This is almost like the impossible level to break, but I mean the level's down to 23, but you know, we are certainly on this channel, just to put it into perspective for everyone who are looking at this. Now, taking a closer look at this channel, we have also a secondary level of support over here. This is our primary right now. We could continue, shooting higher. Now, Fetch BTC or FET BTC, actually, this was the channel we talked about on the last video as well. And it was starting to look like a buy here, but certainly just kind of bat out of hell, went up to touch that line in 1626. If we get through that line, I'll tell you right now, this is a very bullish pattern, but there's a lot more going on here. There's a lot going on. Excuse me, I don't have everything lined up because this is this kind of had to put this together quick, in between flipping burgers and hot dogs outside. So let's take a look at this green line here. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin does help to drag Fetch around a bit. Bitcoin also making a massive move here, 52,500 on the line, straight to my predicted level of 80,000 between now and the end of the year. It's fantastic. Now, going to the Bitcoin dominance pair, strangely enough, it's the Bitcoin dominance pair is somewhat catching a bid as well. So, you're getting an altcoin, you're just getting an altcoin rally, which is Bitcoin, crypto, everything's just getting bought up right now. It's good to see the healthiness of the market. We shall see. Tonight's going to be even more interesting as Asia comes online. Then comes Europe, and then comes the U.S. markets tomorrow morning. But I mean, this is 24/7, obviously. But the real money starts showing up typically in the mornings. I've noticed lately. Anyway, I'm out. 80 cents. Let's go. Talk soon. Bye.